Hello everyone, welcome to Custom ROM Info. Today, we're taking a look at Android 15 running on the 5-year-old Redmi Note 8 Pro. This custom ROM is currently in its beta stage, but guess what? It's surprisingly stable, with no noticeable bugs so far. Stick around as we dive into its features, performance, and overall user experience. Let's get started. This ROM comes with the stock camera application, so you won't lose any of the original camera functionality. What's more, it includes the Leica camera app, offering a wide range of advanced features to enhance your photography experience. For audio enthusiasts, it features Moto Dolby Atmos, delivering boosted and immersive sound quality. Gamers, you're covered too. The built-in game space ensures a distraction-free gaming experience. And if you love personalizing your device, this ROM is packed with customizations and unique features to suit your style and needs. First, your device must have an unlocked bootloader and a custom recovery installed, like TWRP recovery. If you have already downloaded the necessary files, here's how to proceed. 1. Power off your device. Press and hold the power button and select Power Off. 2. Reboot into recovery mode. After the device powers off, press and hold the power button and volume up key simultaneously. Keep holding until you see the recovery logo, such as TWRP recovery. After booting into recovery mode, TWRP. 1. Select Install. Navigate to the downloaded files. 3. Select the files. Tap on the file you want to flash, usually a zip file. 4. Swipe to confirm flash. 5. Wait for the process to complete. TWRP will install the file and show a progress bar. Once it's done, you'll get a confirmation message. If you need to reboot into TWRP recovery mode after completing the installation, follow these steps. In the TRP menu, select Reboot. Choose Recovery to boot back into TWRP recovery mode. Your device will reboot and load into TWRP recovery again. We'll need to format our data. Otherwise, the ROM will not boot and will select Wipe and select Format Data. Type Yes to confirm the format. Confirm the format. Once the process is complete, tap OK to finish. After formatting, you can continue with the setup process. Reboot your device to boot into the newly installed ROM. Congratulations! You've successfully installed the Android 15 ROM on your Redmi Note 8 Pro. Enjoy the latest features and updates from Android by Google. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more content like this. If you have any problems, feel free to let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching.